how to automatically save all of the successful production executions in your n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the saving or unsaving of all of the successful production executions of your n8n workflow. So for that, as you can see right here, I have this sample workflow right here. And in this one, I will attempt to do the same that I said. So once you are inside your workflow, click onto these three dots present at the top right corner. And from here, choose settings. Now within the settings, you will see save successful production executions. From here, click onto the save option and then again click save. And now once you see the workflow settings saved message, you are all set and all of your successful production executions will be saved from there on. So that's how easily you can toggle the settings. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.